Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What went right this week? The good news that matters: a third of cancer cases globally are avoidable through lifestyle changes and preventive measures, according to a major study. Smoking, cancer-causing infections, and drinking alcohol are the three leading contributors to preventable cases. Africa saw a 54% surge in solar installations in 2025, the sharpest acceleration to date, driven by both utility-scale and distributed solar projects. This highlights Africa's potential to industrialize without the long fossil detour taken by other regions. Negotiations resumed at the UN on a global wealth tax and measures to make fossil fuel companies pay for climate damage. This push for global tax justice aims to tackle inequality and fund climate action. The reopening of the Rafah border crossing between Gaza and Egypt offered a lifeline for thousands of Palestinians in need of urgent medical care in Egypt, though with significant limitations. China's clean energy sectors, including electric vehicles and solar power, drove over a third of the country's economic growth in 2025, highlighting the role of green technology in powering its economic boom. The UK government announced plans to cover travel expenses for young cancer patients in England, aiming to ease the financial burden on families. Rap icon Stormzy has backed a national book campaign in the UK to encourage non-readers, particularly through the publication of short, accessible books. The UK government has expanded funding for community-led investment initiatives, with £8.5 billion allocated to the Pride in Place programme to support disadvantaged neighbourhoods. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak